Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our Spedi lesson, looking at lesson number 25, 5 words of the day. Today's words are as follow: radio, siyalemoya, 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 siyalemoya. Advantage, mohola, 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 mohola. Affiliate, go amana le yona, 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 go amana le yona. Dangerous, kotsi, 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 kotsi. Discovery, kutullo ya dilo, kutullo ya dilo, kutullo ya dilo, kutullo ya dilo, kutullo ya dilo. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020.